Hello, future financial champions. Welcome back to Finance King, where we empower you to master your money. Today, we're tackling a crucial topic, the costly money mistakes many people make, often without even realizing it. These errors can derail your financial goals and create unnecessary stress. But don't worry, because by understanding them, you can avoid these pitfalls and build a stronger financial future. Let's dive into the top mistakes you need to fix right now. The first major misstep is living without a clear budget. Many people view budgeting as restrictive, but it's actually your financial roadmap. Without one, your money simply disappears, leaving you wondering where it all went. A budget helps you understand exactly where your income goes each month. It allows you to allocate funds intentionally, ensuring your spending aligns with your priorities. Start tracking your income and expenses today. It's the foundation of financial control. Imagine an unexpected car repair or a sudden medical bill. Without an emergency fund, these events can quickly lead to debt or financial panic. Ignoring this crucial safety net is a costly mistake. An emergency fund provides a buffer against life's inevitable surprises. Aim to save at least 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses in an easily accessible, separate savings account. This fund offers peace of mind and prevents small problems from becoming financial crises. Credit card debt, payday loans, and other high-interest borrowings are financial quicksand. The interest rates can be astronomical, making it incredibly difficult to pay off the principal. This debt can quickly spiral out of control. Prioritize paying down high-interest debt as aggressively as possible. Consider strategies like the debt snowball or avalanche method. Avoid taking on new high-interest debt unless absolutely necessary, and always understand the terms before you borrow. Many young adults and new investors think they need a lot of money to start investing. This misconception leads to procrastination, which is one of the most expensive mistakes you can make. Time is your greatest asset when it comes to wealth building. The power of compound interest means that even small, consistent investments can grow significantly over decades. Start investing early, even if it's just a small amount each month. Your future self will thank you for harnessing this incredible financial force. Thinking you know enough about money, or simply avoiding learning about it, is a costly oversight. The financial landscape is constantly evolving, and staying informed is crucial for making smart decisions. Ignorance can lead to missed opportunities and poor choices. Make financial education a lifelong pursuit. Read books, listen to podcasts, and watch channels like Finance King. Understanding topics like taxes, retirement planning, and market trends empowers you to take control of your financial destiny. Setting up a budget or an investment plan is a great start, but it's not a one-time task. Life changes, and so should your financial strategy. Failing to review your finances regularly means you might be missing opportunities or sticking to outdated plans. Schedule a monthly or quarterly financial checkup. Review your budget, track your progress towards goals, and adjust your investments as needed. This proactive approach ensures your money is always working optimally for you. Avoiding these common money mistakes is a powerful step towards financial freedom. Remember, it's never too late to start making better choices. Every small adjustment you make today contributes to a more secure and prosperous tomorrow. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Finance King for more essential financial insights. What money mistakes have you learned from? Share your experiences in the comments below. We're here to help you build your financial empire.